Subject code 18CS2015. Subject Object Oriented Programming Lab 2020 Batch 1. Experiment 4 Class and Objects. First program to write a JavaScript that adds using classes and objects and print final sum of times. First, we import scanner class from java.util package. Then we write main function object for a default constructor. Then read the input from the user using scanner class by creating objects to it. Then we passes it constructor initialize the entered values h1, m1, s1, h2, m2 and s2 using class called display method to print the final result. Then create a class called time with hours, minutes and class time hours, minutes and seconds, and create a default conduct sets the values of hours, minutes and seconds equals to 0. Create another class constructor time with 3 integer arguments that take hours, minutes, seconds and the sum of both. Add the method called that it has references the two objects sum of both seconds object 1 object 2 using reference the remaining. If seconds is greater than 60, then divide by 60 and add the minutes and add the result to minutes. Then repeat the remaining operator and add to it do seconds. Then repeat the step 7 and 8 to calculate the minutes and hours. And another method called display that prints the total hours, minutes and seconds, and then it stops the program. And I will run it. Enter the hours is 1. Enter the minutes 59. Enter the seconds 59. Enter the hours 2. Enter the minutes 15. Minutes 59. Then it shows 4 hours 59 minutes 58 seconds. And second program is to write a JavaScript that calculates bill collected to tollage to verify the number of cars passed the gate and the total payment previous vehicles of classes cars passed and total amount collected. First, we import Java scan class from java.util package and write the main function to create object called the default constructor. And then use scanner object read the character from the user and infinite while loop that prompts user to enter the character. If the user enters the character, call the paying car method. If the user enters another character, no pay method. After while loop, create a class called toll booth with data members car total, cash total. Add method paying car that increments car total and cash total by 1. Add another method normal pay that increments car total by 1 and prints the variable car total cash total and it run. That the weight 15 just 18 and enter the feeds 15 just then it shows the output 32 inches for and the third program we use import scanner class from java.util package then it reads the public static void and using a scanner class to read the object character data from user using a infinite while loop that prompts user to enter any character. If the user enters another character, call no pay method. If enter using another character, call no pay method. Set a character if the user prints presents that character. Break with the while loop. After while loop after whi- after while loop after while loop using the object from tool booth call display method print the car total and cash total. Create a class called tool booth and with data members car total cash total. Add a method paying car that increments car total cash total by 1 and add a method called display to that prints the variable car total cash total. Then it stops while it's running reach render file while passing and the output